Hi, good morning everyone. We are here right now still in Baler, and this is one of the beaches, the Cobra Coral Reef. And this is amazing because we'll be able to see the beauty, the open seas, and what they are very famous of, the vitamin C. So early in the morning, before the sun rises on the east, we'll be able to see there the beauty of this Cobra Coral Reefs, only here in Aurora, Baler. So what are you waiting for? Come and join us next time, only here at Aurora, Baler. Remember, it's always possible to travel around the Philippines only through the power of God. See you and God bless, and enjoy this wonderful journey, not only today but even in the future. Bye bye. See you.